High electricity bills weighing you down? Enter Enervoir's rooftop solar system, a game changer in the battle against soaring utility costs. Our comprehensive solution not only slashes your bills, but also empowers you to harness the limitless power of the sun. With state-of-the-art solar panels, coupled with cutting-edge battery packs and inverters, you're not just a consumer, but a proactive contributor to a sustainable future. Say goodbye to usage restrictions and hello to boundless savings potential. By saying no to pollution, you're saying yes to safeguarding our planet. Plus, you can even earn money by feeding surplus energy back into the grid. Our advanced inverter ensures maximum efficiency and reliability, while our battery pack stores excess power for use whenever you need it. Let's join hands in taking the first step towards a greener, more sustainable future with Enervoir. Let's not just fix our electric bills, let's fix the planet, one rooftop at a time.